用激光水平仪在安装的墙上射出直线，确保垂直。拿出斜拉杆固定件放到需要安装的墙上，用记号笔做好标记，把斜拉杆固定件移走。用冲击钻在标记处打孔，拿出膨胀螺丝，将斜拉杆固定件固定到墙上，并将其拧紧。拿出墙码，将墙码中心对准激光线，用记号笔做好标记，将墙码移走。用冲击钻在标记处打孔，把墙码放回墙上，用膨胀螺丝固定并拧紧。拿出卷尺，在墙码的边缘中心测量出产品的安装宽度，并用激光水平仪射出直线，确保墙码在同一水平。用膨胀螺丝固定并拧紧。拿出一长一短2根斜拉杆，安装到固定件上，插入螺丝，放上垫片和弹簧片，装上螺母并拧紧。拿出导轨，导轨通过螺丝与墙码相连，插入螺丝。拿出配件套进螺杆。Take out 2 diagonal braces, one long and one short, and install them onto the fixed components. Insert screws. Put on the gasket and spring plate. Install the nut and tighten it. Take out the guide rail. The guide rail is connected to the wall cold through screws. Insert screws. Take out the accessories, insert them into the screw and tighten the knot. Take out the gasket and screw. Place the gasket between the diagonal rod, fixing block, and the rod. Insert screws, place washers and spring plates. Tighten the nut. Install the other guide rail according to the first method. After the installation of the track is completed, we also need to use a tape measure to measure whether the distances between the upper, middle, and lower sections of the track are consistent. Use a laser level to shoot a straight line and check if the two tracks are on the same level. If the orbit is found to be unbalanced, adjustable through screws on the track. Installation of transmission pipe. Take out the transmission pipe and pass it from one track to another. Rotate the transmission tube by hand to make the track pulley move back. If the pulley is found to be uneven, then it is necessary to pull out the transmission pipe from one end and rotate it to continue the pulley back until it is level. After leveling the pulley, re-insert the transmission pipe. Rotate the transmission pipe to move the pulley forward. Unscrew the screw that secures the slider. Remove the fixed slider from the track. Be careful not to remove the anti-collision slider on the track. Take out the curtain and support rod for installation. Installation starts from the second support pole. Put the pulley into the track and push it forward. Complete the installation of the support rod in sequence. Install the fixed slider back in place. Reinstall the screws that were previously unscrewed. Unscrew the long nut, insert the cloth rod into the screw, and then unscrew the long nut again. Unscrew the long nut of the pulley and insert the cloth rod into the screw, then screw back the long nut. Install the sealing caps on both ends of the cloth rod. Install the flat end cap and tighten the screws. Align the motor end cover with the track hole and tighten it with screws. Take out the pin and insert it into the hole, then bend it. Connect the light strip line. After connecting the light strip cable, plug in the power supply. Take out the remote control. Remove the end cap rubber plug. Insert the code adjustment rod into the motor adjustment hole. Rotate the motor as shown in the picture to increase or decrease the stroke. Push the pole forward. Be careful not to exceed the red label. Do not exceed the red label when recycling the cloth pole. Reinsert the rubber plug on the motor end cover to prevent water from entering. Rain shield assembly. Take out the rain shield and connect it piece by piece through the groove. After splicing, use edge strips to cover both sides of the rain shield. If the width of the sky exceeds 4 meters, we will provide support rods. Measure the width of the rain shield with a tape measure. Place the tape measure on the guide rail. Take out the bracket and connect it to the slider in the guide rail with a hexagonal screw. Move the bracket to the center of the width of the rain shield. Tighten the hexagonal screw. Install the other bracket. Tighten the hexagonal screw. Take out the support rod and place it in the bracket. The support rod should be at the same level as the guide rail. Install self-tapping screws on both sides of the bracket. Assemble the rain shield. Install onto the guide rail. Install self-tapping screws on both sides of the rain shield. Installation is complete.